Now, I'm not the best cook, you guys, but I can tell you what, these things come out perfect every time. They're really hard to mess up. Mile High Campers coming back at you again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to make these egg bites. These are super easy to make and they're really convenient, perfect pre-made, easy breakfast for when you're camping. The first thing you're going to want to do is preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Next, get a decent sized bowl. In this case, I'm using a large glass measuring cup to scramble my eggs in. What I'm doing here is removing the egg yolk from the equation and only adding the egg white to my bowl. I do this with 14 eggs. I then add 6 eggs with the yolks. You do not have to do what I'm doing here. You can just use the whole eggs if you want to. I did this because I'm trying to reduce the calories per egg bite. Some will argue it's better to use a full egg for a keto diet, but my goal is to get a little more lean protein in. Next, scramble your eggs. Then you can add in some salt and pepper or whatever seasoning you prefer. Sometimes I substitute a little garlic salt instead of the salt and pepper. Scramble it all up good, then I add in a small handful of shredded cheddar cheese, mix it in a little bit, and then I add another handful of cheese and mix it in. Next, I'm going to chop up some butterball turkey sausage links, again because I'm trying to reduce calories and stay with lean protein, but you can use whatever sausage you want. Then I'm going to chop up about 10 to 12 baby spinach leaves. Again, you don't have to add the leafy greens, or you could add something else like mushrooms. Let your creativity be your guide. Now I'm going to spray down a muffin pan with olive oil, and the key here is to make sure you cover each entire hole, because if you miss a spot, the eggs will stick to it. Now I'm going to add my sausage, some bacon bits, and the spinach. Sometimes I use fresh diced jalapenos here. Again, let your creativity be your guide. Once I have everything added to my muffin pan, now I just pour the egg mixture, and after I fill about 3, I mix the egg mixture just to keep the cheese from sinking to the bottom, and then continue until you have them all full. Now they are ready for the oven. Put them in the preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes. Once the timer goes off, take them out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes, and they will kind of shrink down, and then they are ready to pop out and ready to serve. If you want to get a little more flavor and add a little spice, I like to smother mine with green chili. Throw the leftovers in a bag and pop them in the microwave for an easy breakfast the rest of the week. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe out, and if you did, let me know what ingredients you used. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace!